Yeah, hi, this is Mike Ellis. I wanted to do a quick video on some of the technicals of Bitcoin. I've got a few people on my team that are a little bit concerned. They're seeing that Bitcoin's going down. It's right at 78.55 this morning, and they're wondering what's going to happen and how they're going to proceed in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and the buying and selling of altcoins. Today, I'm on a day chart right here, and Bitcoin is channeling right now, and it really is channeling between that 7,800 range and really about 8,000 guys right in here. If anybody tells you that they know exactly what's going to happen with Bitcoin, they're lying to you. We really don't know. The best thing we can do is look at the charts, look at the support levels and the resistance levels, and then act accordingly depending on what happens. And I believe this particular channel will resolve itself in the next week or so. And right now, if I run over to the hour chart, you're going to see that Bitcoin is bouncing off that 7,800 range. And 7,800 is a really good support level for Bitcoin. Do I believe it's going to go through it? I don't, but again, I don't know. It could go through that 7,800 range. If it does, the next support level is going to be right around 6,500, which is right in here. So if it breaks this support level, it's going to be, the next support level is going to be right around 6,473, 6,500. If that happens, do you want to be in the market? No, you don't. If it breaks this level right here, you want to get out and you want to wait until it consolidates at that 6,500 range or wherever it's going to consolidate. I believe it will go down to the 6,500 if it breaks that 7,800. But we just have to wait and see. Now, because this is a really good support level, if it does bounce off of this, it's a great buying opportunity. If it breaks below it and gets to the 6,500 range, that's even a better buying opportunity. Obviously, you can buy more Bitcoin because it's lower. I think eventually, over the course of the next week, 2 weeks, it will resolve. It will start to go back up. And I believe this year we are going to get into another bull market. You know, this time last year was about the time where Bitcoin really started to take off. And of course, when the big dog starts to run, so do all the altcoins. And I've had a lot of people say, well, if Bitcoin is your indicator, why don't you just stay in Bitcoin, write it up, and then sell it when it's high? The reason I don't do that is because Bitcoin is at $7,800. It's really hard to come in and buy 100 Bitcoin. That's just a lot of money. Most people don't have that kind of money. But because when Bitcoin does start to run, the altcoins follow it, and a lot of times will outperform Bitcoin. And what I do is I come in, I buy altcoins, and as they increase, I get a 5, 10, 15% return on it. I sell it, it goes back into Bitcoin, and it increases the amount of Bitcoin that I get. So altcoins are a really good way to increase the number of Bitcoin you have quicker than taking out of pocket and trying to buy one Bitcoin at a time. And it's worked really well for Marty and I. Marty's my partner. Last year was just absolutely phenomenal. And when we did get into that bull market, it was just really hard to have a bad trade. Just about everything we got into traded really well and increased the number of Bitcoin that we accumulated last year. So today, the support level 7,800, really good place to watch and see what happens. If it breaks below it, it is going to go lower. If it bounces off of this, it could get up above that 8,000 level and then hopefully get above the 9,800, 10,000 level. And ultimately, we wanted to see it go above this resistance level at about 11.5. If it does that, we enter into a bull market, and then it gets really fun, guys. So this video was just to kind of ease some minds, show you where we're at, show you what the technicals look like. You're going to know in the next week or so which way it's going, and I do believe we're gonna break some of these resistant levels sooner than later, and I do believe we will get into that bull market. When that happens, just get after it, guys. If you'd like to see what Marty and I are doing, Marty's my partner, there will be a link down below. It shows you everything that we do, very, very educational. And if nothing else, even if you don't follow Marty and I, it's very educational. You're going to learn a lot about cryptocurrency. And if you want to start a business in cryptocurrency, you want to be in cryptocurrency, you know that's the place to be. It's going to show you a lot of things that will really help you take advantage of cryptocurrency. Obviously, Marty and I, we take advantage of everything cryptocurrency, and we recommend that everybody else does the same thing just to increase the amount of Bitcoins that you have. Marty and I, we're not your financial advisors. We're not trying to talk you into anything. If you're sold on cryptocurrency and you believe this is the place to be, obviously, if you take a look at what we're doing, I think it'll help you a lot, even if you decide to do it on your own and you don't follow Marty and I. So that's it for today, guys. Just a really quick date on the technicals on Bitcoin, what's happening in the market, the support levels, and some of the resistance levels. They're going to get this bottom support right here is going to get resolved in the next week or so, and you're going to have some real good clarity on what to do next. Again, last week around the 18th, we kind of had the same situation right in here. I started buying right here, had a really, really good 3 or 4 days of buying altcoins and selling them. Everything went green, and then it started to turn around a little bit, and I got out of it. Again, I'm dipping my toe in right now. Hopefully this will resolve on the upside, and I will make money on a few of the coins that I've bought. If it breaks down, I'll get out of the market until it resolves itself, either at that 7,000 mark or 6,500 mark, and then for there we'll reevaluate it. But I do believe in the long run, and not so long, in the next 2, 3, 4 weeks, we're going to have some real good clarity, and I do believe Bitcoin will be on the upswing. The big dog will start to run, and I do believe eventually we'll get into a bull market this year, and when that happens, you absolutely want to be in cryptocurrency, in Bitcoin, and buying and selling altcoins. That's what we'll be doing, and like I said, last year we did really well with it. So that's it for today, guys. You have a great rest of the week, and we'll absolutely see you at the top. Take care. Bye.